Hey guys, today we're making mushroom bacon sandwiches with some roasted veggies. So the first thing I'm going to do is chop half an onion. The reason why I poured a little bit of water right there is because the chemical that's in onion that makes it burn your eyes is actually just attracted to moisture. So if you put some water closer to the onion than your eyes are close to the onion, then that chemical will all be drawn to the water and not your eyes. It works really well. I, for one, am a huge baby about getting onion, chemicals in my eyes. My eyes burn out of my face, and it's like, oh my gosh, I can't even continue cooking. Okay, so the next thing you're gonna do is get one large portobello mushroom and slice it into 1/4 inch thick, maybe thinner, and combine it with the onions in a large mixing bowl with 1/2 tablespoon of minced garlic, a 1/2 tablespoon of liquid smoke, and 1 tablespoon of soy sauce. Okay, now you're just gonna mix it all together and toss it, shake it up. I think I also added some nutritional yeast here. I didn't add any salt individually because soy sauce has a lot of salt in it already. But you could add other seasonings if you like, such as pepper, black garlic powder, whatever. Okay, and I'm gonna set these aside. Oh, there, I finally, there it is. I knew I added seasoning. Okay, that's black garlic powder and pepper. I added about 1/2 teaspoon of olive oil and 1/2 tablespoon of nutritional yeast. Okay, set those aside. And I had some other veggies in the fridge that I wanted to eat. So I'm going to do a separate mixing bowl for my other veggies because I don't want the liquid smoke on everything, just for the mushrooms. So in a separate mixing bowl, I did asparagus. I did these mini bell peppers. I also did cauliflower. And I put those in a separate mixing bowl with, again, 1/2 teaspoon of olive oil, salt, pepper, nutritional yeast. I love nutritional yeast. You could also add a splash of lemon or lime juice. Oh, I added more minced garlic here. So basically the main difference between the mushroom and onions and this vegetable medley is the liquid smoke and soy sauce, because these vegetables aren't going to be trying to mimic a bacon flavor. That's just the mushroom. Preheat the oven to 350 degrees. And I did need 2 baking sheets for this. I put the mushrooms and onion on one baking sheet and then the other vegetables on the other one. I just love seasoned roasted vegetables. They're great to snack on any time of the day. Just add them with any meal that you're already eating. It's healthy, nutritious. You can bake both trays at the same time in your oven. Cook them for about 15 minutes, depending on how. I like my mushroom bacon to be really like dehydrated kind of, so it's crunchy. Check on them after 12 minutes, but I really like 15 minutes. Okay, now I'm making my sandwich. I got whole wheat buns and light vegan mayo. Gotta have avocado. Then I top it with mushrooms and bell peppers, and I just had the other vegetables on the side. Full recipe will be in the description. Don't forget to click on the link for my free plant-based recipe ebook, 20 plant-based recipes I ate to lose 60 pounds. Thanks for watching. Don't forget to subscribe to Any Reason Vegans and check out our website.